Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, if you have been watching our videos, you know that Sterling gave me a pretty significant cut. If you could recut me.
Yeah, we definitely got to make that worse.
Sometimes you need to keep coverage on a wound, but you need to be able to see it. A great use case for that is if you cut yourself and you use the steri strips or you use sutures and you want to be able to keep that clean, keep stuff out, but keep eyes on to make sure that those sutures are still holding.
Yep. So you're going to grab this. This is our ViewGuard dressing. This stuff is very thin, so we're going to open it up really carefully so that way I don't mess it up. Pull it out of here, pull these little tabs off, and then you got the dressing here. So this little piece you can hold, and then this little piece will be just like when you're putting on a Band-Aid. You just peel it across. So you make sure you're kind of holding right near that wound, and then you pull it across there, trying to grab there, and then you can pull this little tab off here. And then you're just kind of making sure it sticks down, getting good coverage, seals on all sides of that. So you can see it's a really thin film, but it's great, especially when you're out on hikes, adventures, and stuff like that. You can really keep a lot of stuff out of there, finish your hike, do your multi-day thing, and you don't have to worry about dirt, debris, and infections.
Yep, and with it being so thin, I can move all over, wherever it may be, and it just moves with my hand. I've got complete solid coverage. It's excellent.
Absolutely.